Hello friends, good morning. I am Hemant Purswani, optometrist from Goma by Netherlands Image. Friends, today I want to present my presentation. The topic is a clinical analysis on CSR, central serous chorioretinopathy. Friends, CSR it is very common condition in young individuals which nowadays which can be seen easily at our clinic or in the hospitals. In this CSR, it's a type of macular edema. In this CSR, the fluid which leaked from the choriocapillaries, it's reached between the neurosensory retina and the RPE, and it causes macular edema, which is known as central serous retinopathy. Our main goal is to present to aware the patient, to make easy to diagnosis and management. Suppose you are optometrist or you are doing any clinical practice, a patient who is suffering from CSR and he will come at your clinic. The main complaint of patient may be a dark area of black spot in front in the central vision, distorted lines or bent lines seen since a few days, dimness of vision distance near both, fluctuation in the spectacle correction since few days or month, reduced contrast sensitivity, and sometimes color vision also affected. A person who has no any problem, he can see any image with a clearance, but suppose a patient who is suffering from CSR, he will see to any image like this image. Now here two different pictures are showing. The first picture is normal retina and the second with the CSR. Friends, suppose patient have a report of OCT, and with the report of OCT, the optical coherence tomography, you can differentiate a normal OCT and OCT with CSR. The first image of a normal OCT, uh, here the choriocapillaries, uh, the our RPE is very closely attached to the Brusman of the choroid, and the second part of retina, which is known as neurosensory retina, it is very loosely attached to the our RPE. And whenever choriocapillaries leak, the fluid reach between the RPE and neurosensory retina, and it causes CSR, and you can see in the second image. And this empty space which is showing the fluid is known as subretinal fluid. And you can also diagnose for the management with the help of angiography, and different type of pattern can be seen like ink blot pattern, smoke, or diffuse. The common risk factors are any psychopathology like stress, any cardiovascular disease. Suppose patient is taking any medicine in the form of corticosteroids or any endocrine changes, and drug induced or sleep disturbance. Now friend, I want to talk about the cortisol hormone. Suppose patient is suffering from the stress. At the time of stress, to control the stress, our body stimulate a hormone, the hormone which is known as cortisol. The cortisol hormone is regulate or control the stress level, but the secondary effect of its cortisol is CSR, because just it works like a steroids. A person who is taking alcohol since a long time, it's also disturbance our steroids level, or it's also maybe cause CSR. Suppose you are optometrist or you are doing any clinical practice, and at the level of optometrist, how can you diagnose CSR? There are some rules to rule out CSR. The first point is the complaint of patient The dimness of vision, the complaint of dimness of vision near distance boss since a few days, or the complaint of black spot in front of the eye. The second thing is history. It is very important. The onset of cause, the duration of cause, and the third point is the refraction. Most likely your patients shift in the side of hypermetropia, and contrast sensitivity also reduced. The recovery time is also increased in the photo stress test. It is very simple test, and the metamorphopsia or distorted light seen in the Amsler grid test. Friends, now I just want to share one or two cases of CSR. Here, the first case, the patient whose age is 41 years, male, and his complaint is dimness of vision in right eye since 8 days. There is no history of any illness, no history of any glasses, and his visual acuity in the affected eye is unaided 6 by 18, and the best corrected visual acuity is 6/9 partial. The near vision is n by 12. After the acceptance, the vision is not reached up to the 6 by 6. The best corrected vision 6/9 partial and near vision n8. Distorted lines seen in the Amsler grid test, and OCT show CSR 572 microns. See, this is the OCT image of the same patient. Now the case number 2, the 36 years old female, and her complaint is dimness of vision in right eye since few days. There is no history of illness, no history of glasses, no history taken. There is maybe cause stress, and her vision in right eye 5 by 60. There is no improvement with the pinhole, or the other eye normal vision is 6 by 6. Acceptance is 1.5 diopter is spherical, but vision is 5 by 60, and near vision is n by 18. In Amsler grid test, distorted line seen, and OCT show 914 microns. The same patient. Okay, to just see after this two cases. Now I want to talk about the workup of patient in the case of CSR. Suppose you are doing any clinical practice at your clinic or in a hospital. The According to workup, the first thing is complaint of patient, to know about the onset, its duration, symptoms, systemic history, history of any asthma, skin allergic, hypertension, diabetes, history of glasses, uh, write about the visual acuity, unaided visual acuity, his refraction, to know about best corrected visual acuity, IOP, Amsler grid test, photo stress test, contrast sensitivity, color vision, fundus examination. In a hospital, if you have OCT, you can try OCT test and FFA. Amsler grid test, it is very easy, and this type of image will be seen in the case of CSR, central metamorphopsia, and photo stress test. It is very easy or very simple test to rule out any macular disease. In the case of management of CSR, first of all, you have need to change your lifestyles. If you are taking any stress, please avoid. If you are taking steroids in the any form of medicine, try to avoid. Try to stop your smoking or alcohol, or observe for 3 months at the level of optometrist or ophthalmologist. uh, Indication for the treatment, suppose CSR is more than 4 months, then you have need to think about the or other management of CSR, or in the case of multiple recurrences, or any other there's such conditions, we have need to take a treatment. The first treatment is focal laser treatment. In needed cases, the photodynamic therapy, anti-VEGF, or oral spironolactone tablets for non-resolving CSR. Some practitioners are doing to try with this medicines, and it is very effective, but it should be taken after opinion of any ophthalmologist or doctor. Please avoid to take any type of stress, don't take any alcohol, and avoid to smoking. Now in the last, I want to thanks my all optometry team, or my all doctors, all optometrists, IT department. Thanks again to my all team. Thank you very much. Jai Mata Di.